And for security guys, you can just go to WordFence again, click on login securities, and you can just do one more thing, is that you can just go ahead to settings, by the way, and here you will basically going to see one option. No, it's not here. Okay, let me just go to settings. Let's go to all options, for example, and from all options, there we have an option of general options. Okay, and from here, make sure okay, so I guess here we have this option. Okay, so we have got this option. Just go to all options, and they have this option of general WordFence options, and from here you will see this option called as disable code execution for upload directory. So sometimes hacker just come to your website and they just try to upload some virus to your main directory of the WordPress website. So this option will going to prevent them to upload things to your WordPress dashboard. Then click on save changes. So guys, you have successfully secured your WordPress website. Okay,